Hello there, and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Daphne. Thank you so much for joining me today. We are going to be doing 6 coffee table styling ideas. So I'm just giving you a look at how we styled the coffee table over the winter. So we're going to be taking this out and we're going to be totally redoing the ottoman, and I absolutely love it. So I just wanted to share the items that I picked up or I gathered like from my home. So I got this huge tray from HomeSense. It was $39.99, and we're going to be doing a couple of looks using that. And then I love the dried florals that HomeGoods has. So I picked up pinky color baby's breath, and then I also picked up this lavender, dried lavender. I didn't wind up using it, but I'm definitely going to use it in my space for spring. And then I found this absolutely beautiful travertine vase from, I got this one from HomeGoods, and I love it. Oh, actually, no, I picked it up at HomeSense. The white one I picked up at HomeGoods, and I didn't wind up styling with it in this video, but I definitely am going to be styling with it for a future video. And then we have a couple of handmade vases from Portugal that are in like the terracotta color, and then we also picked up a spear in travertine. And the only book that's new is the Create book. I really liked the color scheme of it and also the photos obviously inside. And then we're just going to be reusing the Homebody book. So guys, I saw that picture easel on the web on Joann's app, and I thought that it was larger than it was. So I'm going to work with it. It's a 2 by 3 inch, and it's beautiful. It's just a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. So we are going to be just taking everything off of the coffee table, and then we're going to go into the first look. So before we get decorating, I just wanted to vacuum off the ottoman so that we can just start with a clean slate. We're going to be using this oversized wicker tray for the first couple of looks. I know a long time ago, you guys, someone had suggested in the comments that I should try to find one of these large trays, and ever since then I have had my eye out for the perfect tray, and I found it today at HomeSense. So I'm so excited that I'm able to add it into the space today. So as you guys are watching each style, just leave me a comment down below. We're going to have 6 looks, so let me know which one is your favorite, and any items that are appealing to you. Let me know. The majority of the items I purchased at either HomeSense or HomeGoods, so I'm not able to link them, but I hope that you're able to just get inspiration based on the shapes and the color scheme of all of the decor. And you can also check your local HomeGoods or HomeSense or, online and find similar items. So this is look number 1. So I just want to invite you, if you haven't already subscribed and you enjoy my vibe, you can subscribe, turn on your bell notification so that you are advised each time that I upload a video. I have been updating twice per week on Sundays, normally at 3 p.m. and also on Thursdays at 6 p.m. So make sure that you subscribe and join me back here for another video. So as you watch, you can just see I'm just trying to change out just little, like maybe one piece or two pieces between the looks so that like you can just refresh your space without having to take and rebuy everything. You can just change, one or two pieces and move your decor around. So in this look, we're just going to swap out the candle and then we're going to add back in the brass candle sticks that we've been using. And I absolutely love the way that this look turned out. And then we're also going to add in that frame with easel that we found at Joann's. I can't complain. It was $3.99 original. And I think it was 60% off, so I got it for a little over $1. I think that it is absolutely beautiful. It's just not as large as I thought that it was going to be, but nonetheless, it still gives it a nice pop of class, so I can't complain.
Some kind of butterfly, baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain.
So in look 4, we're just going to swap out the travertine orb, and it just totally changes the look to me. What do you guys think?
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh,
So for the last two looks, we're going to be swapping out the tray. I'm going to be bringing in the two wicker boxes that I've used in the past. It's linked in my Amazon store if you're interested. So we're going to just be starting out with those two boxes. Then we're going to add back the Homebody book and the Create book. And then we're going to be adding in that beautiful travertine vase that we picked up today. And then we're going to top it off with, I have a black double candelabra that I purchased maybe about 6 months or so ago from Kohl's. And then we're just going to be putting in some marble coasters and also a little catch-all tray that we got from Target last year. So this is look number 5. So I love the black candlesticks, but I wanted to add back in the brass to see how it would look in this style. So that's going to be look number 6. So make sure that you give me a comment down below. You don't have to leave a lengthy comment. You can even just tell me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. And also, if you enjoy, make sure that you leave me a home emoji as well. So I just wanted to thank you guys so much for joining me today. I absolutely love bringing you videos like this, so I hope that you guys enjoy it. At the end of the video, I'm just going to be showcasing a couple of recent projects that we've had. So the playlist is going to be linked in the description. So if you have not watched those videos or you'd like to watch them again, you can click on the playlist and enjoy. So until the next time, I want you to have a blessed day, and I'll see you back here again.